Hello everyone, I am Hồng Thương, the last year student of the Faculty of Pharmacy LHU University. Now I'm standing at the Department of Analytical Chemistry and Drug Quality Control, Faculty of Pharmacy LHU University, where I have just completed the final measurement in my graduation research project. After 5 years studying at the Faculty of Pharmacy, the thing that makes me most unforgettable is the hours of research in the laboratory. The Faculty of Pharmacy of LHU University has a series of 20 modern laboratories and facilities to ensure that we successfully complete our program. All laboratories are mainly located in 2 campuses. That is the Faculty of Pharmacy campus and the Center of Scientific Research and Application. These laboratories are managed by 12 departments including Organic Chemistry, Microbiology and Parasitology, Anatomy and Physiology, Pharmaceutical Botany, Pharmaceutical Physical Chemistry, Medicinal Chemistry, Biochemistry, Analytical Chemistry and Drug Quality Control, Pharmacognosy and Traditional Medicine, Pharmaceutics and Pharmaceutical Industry, Pharmaceutical Administration and Economics, Pharmacology Clinical Pharmacy. Now I'm standing at the campus of the Faculty of Pharmacy, including faculty office and 12 laboratories with quite expensive equipment. As a program in the health sciences, facilities for teaching, learning, and scientific research in laboratories are one of the things that are focused on and decide the success or failure of the pharmacist program. Facilities in the faculty are used for 3 knowledge blocks, including general knowledge, basic knowledge, and specialized knowledge.
The faculty office is where students can get helps and supports from the faculty leaders, staff, and their academic advisors if needed. They are open, friendly, and willing to help. This campus is also the workplace of our lecturers and staff. We also have 12 labs located here to support the practical needs of our lecturers and students. Practically, our current labs for the basic and professional blocks are especially important to provide students with realistic view and effectively acquire their knowledge. Each lab has enough equipment to ensure that no more than 2 students use one set of tools during their practice or experiments. Now, let's get closer for better view of what we have in each lab. Now, we are at the lab of Anatomy, Physiology, Pathology, which belongs to the Department of Anatomy, Physiology, Pathology. This lab is equipped with 10 sets of discrete anatomical skeletal models, 5 sets of whole anatomical skeletal model, and 10 pieces of burst anatomical model for practice of anatomy. Moreover, there are 11 sphygmomanometer, 20 mercury blood pressure monitors, 30 stethoscopes, 50% blood glucose monitors. These equipment are flexible arranged on 3 rows of tables for psychological practice. Let's move to the lab of Organic Chemistry located at room number I508. The lab of Organic Chemistry currently has 4 systems of vacuum filter, 2 heating magnetic stirrers, 1 steam bath, 1 drying oven, 2 film hoods, 8 systems for the determination of the essential oil content, and many other equipment to meet the needs of our lecturers and students in their teaching, learning, and research activities. In this lab, students can perform organic synthesis reactions, qualitative reactions of elements or functional groups in organic compounds. In addition, this is also a place to conduct researches in metal nanosynthesis, biomedical materials synthesis, etc. We are now at the lab of Botany, which is divided into 3 rows of tables with more than 56 available for students. The lab includes 60 optical microscopes, 30 Olympus 623 LED, plus 30 Olympus 622 LED to observe the cellular structure and anatomical characteristics of the plant organs. In the lab of Physical Chemistry, we have 3 pieces of 45-liter water bath of measurement, 10 pieces of conductivity meters, 8 pieces of WTW in the lab, pH meter, 3 pieces of Janeway pH meter, 10 magnetic stirrers, with 3 rows of desks and 56 available for students to practice. In addition to the subject, it is also equipped with other learning aids such as film hoods, ice machine, water distillation machine. Now, let's come to the lab of biochemistry located at room I506. The lab of biochemistry is equipped with modern equipment for the course biochemistry practice. It has 4 rows of desks, each equipped with practice kits. Specifically, this lab has 3 semi-automatic clinical chemistry analyzers, 2 centrifuges, 1 pharmaceutical refrigerator, 1 dryer, and 1 ultrasonic cleaner. In addition, it also has an analytical scale, a steam bath, a pH meter, a refrigerator, and a film hood. We have just visited 5 labs among the 20 labs operated by the Faculty of Pharmacy. And now let's come to the 6th lab, which is the lab of parasitology. Currently, it has 20 pieces of Olympus optical microscope, 2 cold centrifuges, an electrophoresis camera, and 3 rows of tables are comfortably arranged for the practice of molecular biology and parasitology. In addition, the room is also equipped with many other practical equipment such as stereo microscope, UV vis, spectrophotometer, refrigerator, PCR machine, microbiological incubator with shaker, electrophoresis system. In the lab of microbiology, we have 10 pieces of Olympus optical microscope, 2 autoclaves, and 2 biological safety cabinets, etc. And 3 rows of tables are comfortably arranged for the practice of microbiology. The lab of analytical chemistry is divided into 3 separate labs, including H301 and I203. Specifically, in the lab H301, we have 2 analytical balances, 1 film hood, 1 technical balance, and 3 rows of tables are flexibly arranged for the practice of analytical chemistry 1. Especially in the lab I203, we have 2 analytical balances, 1 furnace, 4 semi-automatic potentiometric titrator with double electrodes, and 3 rows of desks are flexibly arranged for the practice of analytical chemistry 2. There are also some other equipment such as film hood, heating magnetic storage, ultrasonic cleaner, and UV lamp of 254 to 365 nanometers. Now, we are at the lab of medicinal chemistry, which has 1 vacuum evaporator, 1 UV vis spectrophotometer, 20 kettle cookers, and 4 rows of tables. In addition, 1 UV lamp, 2 drying ovens, 1 water distiller, 1 ultrasonic cleaner, 4 vacuum filters, etc. These devices support students during their practice of synthesis and testing of raw materials from medicinal chemistry. Let's come to the lab of pharmacology. The lab has 28 optical microscopes, 1 vacuum evaporator system, 1 furnace, 2 film hoods, and 4 rows of tables for the practice of pharmacology. In addition, there are many other equipment, such as 1 analytical balance, 2 systems for the determination of the essential oil content, 2 UV darkroom, 2 lab convection dryers, 2 moisture analyzers, 1 water distiller. This lab is used for the practice of distinguishing dry medicinal herbs by observation and microscopic extraction. Qualitative and quantitative groups of compounds present in medicinal herbs. Research on extraction and analysis of chemical compositions of new medicinal blends. Meanwhile, the lab of pharmacology currently has 1 mouse tail blood pressure monitor, high throughput system, 1 large cold centrifuge, 1 mouse foot volumeter, 1 cell filter, 1 analytical scale, and 6 rows of stone tables flexibly arranged for the practice of pharmacology. Moreover, there are many supporting equipment such as technical scale, ultrasonic machine, refrigerator, lab convection dryer, steam bath with 8 holes of 20-liter mammoth, electric stove galley. The lab of pharmacology helps students to practice tactics on animals, thereby evaluating the pharmacological effects of drugs on experimental models, as well as conducting research on pharmacological properties of drugs and medicinal ingredients. Especially the lab of pharmaceutics and industrial pharmacy, located at room number H102, is equipped with basic to advanced equipment such as motors, electronic scale to odd numbers, mechanical stirrer, heating magnetic stirrer, step force convection oven, 8-hole waterproof kitchen, and others for reparation and measurement. Thereby, students can learn and experiment with weighting techniques, grinding mixing techniques, volumetric techniques, dissolving techniques, filtering and settling decanting techniques as the basis for repairing and testing of different drug forms such as eye drops, syrups, suspension, granules, capsules, tablets, etc. Differently, the lab of industrial pharmacy located at room number H103 is equipped with equipment for industrial pharmacy. It has the most modern and up-to-date drug quality testing equipment, which are now used in several pharmaceutical production factories. Specifically, we have high-sheet mixer, multifunction granulator, AUM motor, fluidized bed granulating and drying machine, rotary tablet pressing machine, film coating machine, high-speed harmonizer. In addition, analytical instruments include dissolution tester, disintegration tester, abrasion and crumbling meter, ultraviolet visual spectrometer, sieve machine, particle density tester. Thereby, students can view and optimize formulas and manufacturing processes for tablets in general and other dosage forms in particular, along with the proficient use of machinery for drug production and testing on industrial models. Now, let's get to the lab of drug quality control, where students can practice practical skills on drug testing, quality assurance of pharmaceuticals according to the law, testing a number of preparations on the market, determining the expiry date of a pharmaceutical product, etc. The lab is divided into two practice rooms, including Lab I-101 and Lab I-204. Specifically, the Lab I-101 currently has two pieces of analytical balance, one one-time water distiller, one film hood, one convection oven, one optical microscope, 6 semi-automatic potentiometric titrator with double electrodes, and 3 rows of tables which are flexibly arranged for the practice of pharmaceutical testing and instrumental analysis. There are also some other equipment such as ultrasonic tank, 8 holes waterproof kitchen, technical scales, heating magnetic stirrer, UV lamp 254 to 365 nanometers, whereas the Lab I-204 currently has one high-performance liquid chromatography system with photodiode array detector, one atomic absorption spectrometer with halo cathode lamps, 2 pieces of visible ultraviolet spectrophotometer, one automatic potentiometric titrator with rows of tables for the practice of pharmaceutical testing, tool analysis, and analytical chemistry too. Moreover, there are also some other equipment such as analytical balance, convection oven, technical balance, and reduced pressure pump. Finally, let's get to the lab of clinical pharmacy, where students practice skills in looking up drug information, assessing drug interactions, adverse drug reactions, analyzing and evaluating prescriptions and clinical cases of some special diseases, skills in communication and drug use counseling, instructions on the use of some tools in the treatment of some chronic diseases. The lab is designed with 6 large desks. Each has a screen and a computer that are connected to the teacher's server and used as a means for students to look up documents and reference materials such as Vietnam National Pharmacopoeia, MIMS, Drug Interactions and Indications, AHFS 2017, Drugs in Pregnancy and Lactation, BNF, etc. Besides, the lab is also equipped with special tools such as pens, insulin pumps, inhalers for students to practice manipulation, and instructions for use. To meet the needs of computational skills, Lancome University invests in a building with 10 computer labs equipped with more than 1,000 computers. Most of the final exams in basic subjects and some practical subjects such as pharmaceutical computers are held in the labs. At the same time, They help students to acquire proficient skills in some computer softwares. Each computer lab is equipped with good internet connection. Each student has a computer and an account to use supporting softwares such as Microsoft Office, CamDraw, Minitab, and websites. These computer labs are very comfortable. The computers have strong configuration to serve the majority of not only pharmacy students but also those of Lakham University. Also at Campus 1, Lakham also invests in a professional studio with a modern system of equipment, cameras, and lights as if it is a miniature television station, providing support for lecturers to conduct online lectures and thematic webinars. Located in this campus, the school library is where students can find documents, look up specialized books, study in groups, or simply read books in a quiet space with rows of individual desks, computers, and strong Wi-Fi system. Moreover, the e-library system also helps to optimize the entire process of borrowing and returning books quickly and automatically. There are also 4 rooms for group study. Each can accommodate 6 to 10 people and is provided with learning aids such as a large TV screen, table, and cushions. All rooms are equipped with electric fans, lights, and air conditioners to provide comfortable environment for all readers. For students who live far away, they can choose to stay in the university's dormitory, which is located in Campus 3 next to the Faculty of Pharmacy. So it is very convenient for our students. Our dorm is fully invested in internal facilities, clean and comfortable for students to enjoy their student lives because there are rows of green trees next to the botanical garden of our faculty. Thus, the air around the dorm is really fresh for a healthy life. Referring to our botanical garden, though it is not too large, it has nearly 100 medicinal plants with all forms of life, herbaceous, woody, climbing, etc., which helps our students to identify and distinguish some popular medicinal plants and how to use them in the treatment of some basic disease. To serve the needs for physical activities of our lecturers and students, Lakham has a gym center with enough equipment and a professional coach. Everything is offered for free of charge. This is also the living space of clubs, teams, and group study. In addition, if students love outdoor activities, they can visit the physical education center with football field, volleyball courts, etc. At Lakham University, all facilities and equipment are geared towards providing maximum services to satisfy the needs of our students.
I am proud to be a part of this great and very proud to introduce everyone to our learning environment and the facilities at the Faculty of Pharmacy. I hope that through this video I have to introduce everyone will also love this place. If the COVID-19 disease is well controlled, please visit our home, Faculty of Pharmacy, Lakham University.